we're going to demonstrate how to make what we call a Sashimi Deluxe. This is an assorted sashimi platter, medium size, and we'll be using our main ingredients of maguro, sake, and hamachi, as well as our chef's choice / best catch of the day. We have taco, octopus, saba, the mackerel, albacore, tuna, and we have some ika, the squid, and we'll be using some ikura, some salmon roe as well, plating this on a bed of shredded daikon and some shiso leaves. And here we have our Sashimi Deluxe. We've started with a couple piles of shredded daikon, and then we put shiso leaves on top of that. And then we've placed our sashimi pieces around the plate in an aesthetically pleasing manner. One thing when we're plating sashimi, we want to not have like similar colors right next to each other. So we're gonna put like lighter meat, darker meat, and kind of mix and match the colors so that it's nice and balanced.